Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So tonight, Pere and Saga had a mild clash during the preparation for their task for the UID. And how did that all start? So Big Brother had already played a video for them to watch what exactly he was expecting them to carry out during the task. And of course, while they were split into teams, Pere, Saga, Emmanuel, and of course Queen were in a group, right? And they were having conversations about how to execute this task. And Pere was saying that, you know what? It is better we capture everything in the video. It is better that we relay the message, we encapsulate all the message into our own presentation, right? And of course, Saga was looking at the fact that, come on, we don't necessarily have to do that. That we probably can do it some other type of way. And Pere was like, you know what, I play to win.
But if you want to stick with all the social media, that's fine. I'm saying we should inculcate everything. I don't know about you.
Yeah, Saga, I love you so much.
And then Pere wasn't really going to settle with what Saga said. So Pere was like, you know what, see, it's better we do all of this together and let's play to win. And Pere was like, I play to win. And Saga really was not having what Pere said. And then the squabble started.
You have a problem with it, that's your business.
Oh, Pere!
What do you mean? I should bring a positive energy here.
Big brother, what can I do? Can I meet somebody else?
Moving on to my next gist, I'm going to talk about two people during the diary session today, right? I'm going to start off with Liquorose. Big Brother called Liquorose into the diary room. And then he said he wanted her to carry out a task. He needed her to stop talking to Emmanuel and of course to pick up a fight with Emmanuel until our next diary session.
Big Brother would like you to start a fight and avoid Emmanuel.
He then went ahead to tell Liquorose that if she's successfully able to carry out this task, he's going to give her 200 BB tokens and of course 200 Bbnaija.
Big Brother might reward you with 200 BB tokens.
For Liquorose, this task from Big Brother looked like she probably was, she was contemplating, wow, that this is really going to be a hard task. But for her, she was really up to the game and she just told Big Brother, you know what, I'm up to the game, because she was asking Big Brother, when should this task begin? And Big Brother said immediately.
Yeah, I'll take it. I might start right away.
Immediately, Liquorose.
One other person that Big Brother gave this task to was Saga. Now, Big Brother told Saga, see, I have a task for you. I need you to prank someone. And of course, Big Brother went ahead to tell him that he needed him to prank Nini and of course to pick up a fight with her until his next diary session before Sunday.
Big Brother would like you to start a fight and avoid Nini until your next diary session.
For me, yeah, it was Saga's laugh, because trust me, Saga does not look like someone, right? I'm just saying, he doesn't look like someone who will really be able to do this. Regardless of the fact that he told Big Brother that, you know what, I'm able to do this task, Big Brother had already promised him 200 BB tokens and of course 200 Bbnaija, right? He was asking Big Brother to see, Big Brother, when will this task be over? So that I know how well to prepare my mind to be able to pick up this fight with Nini, because picking up a fight with Nini will not be that easy. Not too long after Saga left the diary room, straight up we found Saga with Nini. At a particular point they were eating together and then boom, he was trying to massage her legs. Well, I read a few comments on social media and of course some people were saying that, you know what, he really cannot just pick up a fight with her immediately. He has to wait to a particular point where, he can pick up a fight on something that she probably does wrong and all of that. I'm going to leave that to you guys to decide what exactly and when exactly he needs to pick up the fight. Finally, before I leave, I want to ask this question. Do you think that the squabble between Pere and Saga is a low-key brewing fight? Do you think it was stemming from the fact that Ebuka asked Saga about Pere on Sunday and that Pere also knows that Saga is not being true with him? Please go to the comment section and let us continue our conversations there. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so guys so you get notified whenever I post a video. Go on our social media platforms on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at the Femi Daniel. Until next time I come away very soon, it's bye for now.